Are you living the life you dreamed about? We should ask ourselves this question more often. Even if we try to follow what we like, most of times we end up doing something different, due to compromises we have to accept. I've fallen into this trap multiple times, even though I told myself not to. Maybe we should just listen to our dreams more often. Sometimes I have a strange dream. I'm waking up in the dream. At first everything looks so real. Then locations and situations start changing. I travel around, but the destination is unclear. I start playing a video game, but I can't focus. I feel like dreaming multiple lives at the same time. And meanwhile I start running away from something. The game loads, and the main character is me. I keep running, but I end up in a loop. Everything is too weird. I realized I'm in a dream. I start exploring the dream. I still can't focus. The dream keeps changing. I fly, and everything around me flows fast.